Welcome. So I don't know about you, but I am starving. So I'm going to show you how I prepare 2 Tovala meals at the same time. So let's get started. I'll be right back. I just took out the 2 chicken parm meals that I put in the fridge and 2 of the chicken breasts and taking apart, saving my rubber bands for later. My little instructions here. Some of these cards I save so that I can sort of take the recipe ideas and recreate them. I know that some people have been complaining that the chicken is a little different when they don't use the Tovala chicken, which is excellent. But if you marinate your chicken, because that's what these are, marinated breasts in a nice brine, if you do that, your chicken should come out more tender. That's just a tip. I hope it helps you. You should let me know. So in these packages, underneath each shell, these are the Parmesan shells, is an extra tray. And you can make 2 meals at one time. That's what I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that process. I don't care for this stuff, green stuff. I'll use it in something else, so I'm going to put it away, save it for the future. Let me get my scissors out, and I just simply smush it to the bottom, cut the top, kind of let it drop in there. Garbage. Same thing with this one. And I always do it from the bigger side, not the little one, because it just seems to come out better. I think it's almost time for new scissors. And I'll let that baby plop in there too. Nice. Okay. So now I have to refer to the instructions because it's been a while. So it says take the marinated chicken breast, place it with a flat side down, gently shake the marinara to recombine, smushy, 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 and spread it on the chicken breast. Easy enough. Yum, 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 yum. This is gonna be yummy. As you can tell, I have to keep my day job. Not a great singer. Recombined. Get all that goodness out. This part I already know. You sprinkle it on the top of the cheese, on top of the chicken. They give you just enough. Probably, if you like it that much, you could add a little extra. I don't have any extra right now. It already smells and looks excellent. Take off the plastic from the shells. And now we're ready to put it in the Tovala oven. There it is. So I'm going to put the meat in the back. There's a little hot spot in this corner over by the light and the fan. So I usually put the proteins next to it. And I try hard to make sure that they won't get burnt. So I kind of move it aside, leaving a little gap. And then these, put right here, and the magic, the scan, turn on the scan, boom, start. It's going to do its thing for 20 minutes, and I'll be right back. Tovala meals are done. I'm going to take them out and plate them up and tell you how they taste. Woo! Here we go. Ta-da! They look so cute. There's a little extra juice here. Pour it in. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna bring you closer so you can have a look. See this deliciousness? Mmm, it smells so good. And they probably need to put a warning on it for stupidos like me who love to bite into it while it's too hot. I'm gonna try it. The chicken. Mmm. Mmm. I'm glad I ordered a bunch of these because I love them. And I bet you they probably freeze pretty well too. Let's try the stuffed shell. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. Mmm. Hot. This one is definitely a crowd pleaser and a favorite. I'm going to talk to you later because I'm going to eat this, and I'll make more videos. Check out my blogs. Follow me on social. We'll keep cooking. Oh, and I forgot to say, please like and subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications. Thank you. Look at that deliciousness. It's too bad we don't have smell-o-vision. Otherwise, you could smell it.